These beautiful old timber Queenslander homes have a character and charm all of their own, but they do require regular maintenance and upkeep. You have to watch out for rotting timbers, rusting gutters, paint that needs refreshing, etc., etc. And I can connect you with a very experienced carpenter who is used to working with these older homes where nothing normally lines up. And if you are selling your home, you have to get it all fixed up because it will come up in a building and pest report. Please reach out, give me a call, Steve West, Presale Services, Brisbane, and I can connect you with quality tradespeople.